Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are seeing the latest wash basin design ideas for 2024. So friends, choosing the right wash basin can make all the differences to your bathroom. It can set off the decor to blend seamlessly with the rest of your design. There are many different materials to choose from your wash basin, including ceramic, porcelain, steel, and all of these can found variety of shapes, colors, and textures to suit your preferences. The materials used in ceramic wash basins use has significant impact the overall look and design of the bathroom. Wash basins they can be either complement contrast overall decor, enhancing its sophistication and elegance. The most popular material for bathroom wash basins is ceramic. This type of units is durable, available, and variety of designs. And however, it's may be experience wear and tear over time. Wash basin is important furniture item in any bathroom, so it's important to select design and that match overall decor. This is especially true if your bathroom has classic, minimal, or any style. Another things to consider the shape of the wash basin. There are several different shapes and sizes to choose from. Some are round, while others are square or rectangular. A corner wash basins are popular choice because it can save space. In addition that, the design can also be variety of furniture styles. It is made of high glow ceramic features to glossy enamel coating. Colored wash basins are popular way to add a splash of colors any bathroom. They comes in wide ranges of colors including black, blue and gold. One of the most important aspects of bathroom design, choosing the right wash basin. It must be blend with home decor while also ensuring that functional and practical. Ceramic sinks are popular choice because they are durable, easy to clean and often comes in variety of colors. They also look great in any style of bathroom. They can found in wide ranges of styles and sizes, so you are sure to find one best meet your needs. And you want to your wash basin to focal point in your bathroom. Choose the design that eye-catching and unique. This can achieve through the bold color shape or not too overpowering. The finish of the wash basin can make different. It's how looks and make popular materials for bathroom wash basins because it can be molded into many shapes. It's also resistant to heat and cold. And high glow ceramic basins are excellent option for any bathroom. It is durable and easy to clean with glossy enamel coating and prevent buildup of bacteria or stains. It can also glaze and color to design motifs. Since the bathrooms is one of the most important space of the entire house, it needs to be comfortable as possible. It is further required to offer you can overall aesthetically pleasing look as well. It's important to positivity entire house. For the purpose, it's essential to installing good quality wash basin to your bathroom. Adding tabletop basins is full pedestal wash basins. Further style statement of luxurious touch added the bathroom space to make it elegant and enhance. And further, in this page, you will understand different types of wash basins available in the market, the benefits of installing bathroom sink, and what trends you can go for. Explore the wall mounted or hanging wash basins is often of the key aspect to be installed uplift of the overall appearance of the bathroom space. They also offer your bathroom to additional space underneath the bathroom sink to be utilized. This hanging wash basins is smart option to be installed elevate your bathroom's space while adding to the hint and modern wash the basin designs. And this add modern and sophistication approach towards wash basins to be installed your bathrooms. It further add a touch of elegance, center of attraction to your bathroom space. Additionally, it's great and fit to be installed. Small size bathrooms is available ceramic glass and granite options. At the same time, I suggest there are attached and mounted countertop. allowing to have the free space in the bathroom after. And after installing this, there are also regret. Vanity Basin has their install a part of the bathroom's vanity unit. This is one of the most popular and commonly found wash basin designs to be found in any bathroom space. The floor mounted full pedestal can hide and pipework behind it offer neat look and outside. Furthermore, a pedestal works as well support to be bathroom sink, and these basins have a semi pedestal and pedestal does not touch the ground. These are wall mounted basins with half pedestal installers to under them extra support. These pedestals further used to hide the plumbing of wash basin install as well. These are again great choice for added small space in bathrooms. That space below the pedestal can further utilize and add storage cabinet. This further makes the bathroom appear organized and add a touch of class elegance in the bathroom. Corner basins are great addition to small bathrooms where you cannot install full wash basin. They're mounted in the wall one side or corner which gets support from two walls. These are usually installed behind the door and console look and make bathroom appear organized without taking too much space, and basins bowl also small size as compared to other wash basin towels. And wash basins are designed to space in your bathroom which you can use every wash your face, hands and a brush over the time basins. Installing mirrors with vanity, the basins will further allow to have design space to your